Whenever you heard anything about a hacker, suddenly an image clicked to our mind. A person writing something on computer wearing a weird mask. Remember, when I pronounce hacker, it means ethical hacker, and this video do not encourage bad activities. In this video tutorial, we are going to make our PC like a hacker's PC. Open your favorite browser. Go to link given in description. Download the file. Open download folder. Extract file. After extraction of file, close all other applications. Maximize the file and press Enter key. Wait for few seconds. Press Enter key again. For more videos, type cool in comment box and subscribe to Abhishek Courses and press the bell icon.